In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a four-wheel brake bleed on your BMW X1. This is going to be located in the engine compartment and behind all four wheels. Let's get started. Remove the trim piece to gain access to the brake master cylinder. To do this, we're going to pull on either tab on either side of this cover, lift straight up. Now we have our brake master. Using a clean rag, go around and wipe the cap and any surrounding area. Remove the cap from the master cylinder. This is a cap and a level sensor all in one. I'm not going to disconnect the electrical connection. I'm just going to put it off to the side, upside down. Using a fluid extractor, we are going to extract all of the old brake fluid out of this cylinder. Remove all of the old fluid. With all of the old fluid removed, we are going to fill our reservoir with new fluid. Be sure to use the correct fluid when you're doing this. Fill the fluid to the max line. Reinstall your cap. Get it snug. Wipe the area. Now we're going to travel to our first wheel, which is going to be in the right rear. Our second wheel will be the left rear. Then we're going to move on to the right front, and finally the left front. We're going to install a brake bottle. We're going to use a 9mm wrench. We're going to install our bottle onto the bleeder. We're going to have our assistant pump up the brakes. Once they're holding, we can crack that open. They hit the floor, we'll close it back up. Go ahead and pump them up. Go ahead and pump them up. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times or until you have nice clear fluid with no bubbles coming out of your hose. And we had that nice clean fluid with no bubbles, so we can remove our bottle. Remove our wrench. Use a clean rag, clean the area, and we'll move on to our next wheel, which will be the left rear. If you have a bleeder cap, go ahead and reinstall. Remove the cap. Top off the master cylinder to the max line. Reinstall the cap. Give it a wipe. Now at the front right brakes, we're going to install a 11mm wrench. We're going to install our bleeder bottle. Have your assistant pump up the brakes and open the bleeder screw. Go ahead and pump them up. Go again. One more. And we had that nice clean fluid with no bubbles. We'll remove our bottle. Remove our wrench. Wipe the area clean. And reinstall our bleeder cap. Now we'll move on to our last wheel, the left front, and then we'll see at the master cylinder. Remove the cap. Top off the master cylinder to the max line. Reinstall the cap. Give it a wipe. Install the cover. Using a torque wrench, we're going to torque our wheels to 89 foot-pounds in a star pattern, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.